Open up Teach Point. Go ahead and click on New. On the left side, select Evaluation Forms. Then click on Formative Assessment Report Form. A new window will open up. Make sure you check off Share so that your supervisor can see the form. In the Supervisor Evaluator box, type your supervisor's name and title. Under Assessing, choose the Both option. In the next two boxes, go ahead and describe the current level of progress in relation to your goals. In each of the standard boxes, describe your current performance level based on the evidence you will provide. Now let's take a look at how to upload your evidence. Scroll to the bottom of the page. In the bottom left-hand corner, click on the Paper Clip button. Click on File. I am choosing my first piece of evidence labeled Evidence 1 by clicking on the file and selecting Open. Click the Save button and the evidence will upload. Once it uploads, it will give you a preview. Go ahead and close out the preview. I'm going to show you how to move your evidence so that it is under one of the standards sections. Click on the evidence link you just uploaded. It will bring up a preview. Click on the Edit button. Click on the Change button. Here I am choosing Standard 1. Click Done and then Save. Exit out of the preview window. You can see that my evidence has moved to the Standard 1 section. Now I'm going to move one to a different section. I click on the evidence. Then I click on Edit. Then I click on Change. And select the Standard 2 section. I click on Save, and my evidence then moves to the Standard 2 section. When I am done uploading all my evidence and the entire form has been filled out, I am ready to submit to my supervisor. I do this by clicking on the Sign button. If you're not ready to sign, you can save the form at any time by clicking the Save button in the top right corner and closing out. You can return to the document by clicking on Formative Assessment Report Form. Feel free to pause this video at any time and use it as a step-by-step guide. I hope you find this tutorial helpful.